Yahoo! Today let's do my signature eye makeup. Starting with eyebrows, I like to do my eyebrows downturned and thin because I love the anime aesthetic. Taking a fluffy brush, go over the top lid with a pink shade. Blend it out and upwards towards the eyebrows. I have hooded eyes, so the area of the eyeshadow needs to be bigger to be visible. Now draw the bottom line with a thin brush, starting at the center of the pupil and wrap upwards. For this look, I like to connect my bottom line with the eyeliner, so I ended it where I estimated my eyeliner would be. While smiling, trace the aegyo with a contour powder and a busted eyeliner brush. I find busted eyeliner brushes to be best for this job because it makes a slightly fuzzy but still defined line. Now brighten the inner area of the aegyo with a highlighter powder and a flat brush. I'm using the same product to also cover my dark circles and further defining the aegyo shape. Now with a small fluffy flat brush, blend the aegyo line and bottom shadow with the same pink shade as the upper lid. Going in with a denser flat brush, retrace and blend the bottom line with a deeper red shade. Using the same brush, we will also deepen the center of the aegyo and blend towards the front and back. Using a not busted eyeliner brush, deepen the center of the aegyo once more. Blend towards the front and back to create a gradient in the line for the aegyo to look more puffy. Now deepen the top and bottom eyeshadow with a deeper red shade. Place a bit of glue down first to help the lace stick. At this point, you'll have some time to adjust the lace to where you'd like. When you find an optimal placement, brush glue all over the lace and wait for it to dry completely. I'm curling my lashes now to avoid the curler messing up my eyeliner later. After you're done, set your lashes with some mascara. Place some glitter on where you want your aegyo to look puffy. I went in later with a powder highlighter as well for more texture. Using a liquid glitter, emphasize the line right under where your bottom line is for a teary effect. Don't forget your bottom lashes. This will help make the drawn-on lashes later look more realistic. A tip for anyone with hooded eyes, draw your eyeliner with your eyes open. Because the extra skin on hooded eyelids, often distorting what looks like perfect eyeliner with the eyes closed, drawing with your eyes open will give a more accurate reference as to how the liner will look with your eyes open. Because I prefer a winged look while having naturally downturned eyes, I do a lot of adjusting back and forth with my eyes open. Now using a flat liner brush, trace and extend the back and front of the crease. Now that eyeliner is also in place, we want to retrace and connect the bottom line to the top for a cat-like effect. Retrace with a deeper shade and blend with a fluffy brush. Now with the dark shade, I'm re-emphasizing and adjusting my bottom line and aegyo. Today we're focusing the bottom lashes on the center of the eyes. This gives more weight to the middle of the eyes for a widening effect. This is what my process looks like in real time, so don't be scared to take your time and consider where you like the placements to be. Today we're using 2 single lashes since I hate feeling the weight of full strip lashes. It wasn't really cooperating and sitting like how I want them to, so we're going to curl it for a more visible effect. Add in circle lenses and we're done. This is a final product for today and I hope it was informative. Let me know what other makeup styles or looks you want to see from me in the comments, and see you in the next one. 짠해!